What are you sticking your tongue out? Oh my goodness! Jovi, back up. Back up.
Hi, monkey.
Back up. There you go. Back up. A little more.
I gotta turn the wheel, Dad. I'm backing around the corner.
Straighten it out. Already you back up the boat better than Mommy. Yeah. You do. Yeah. Why are you slobbering? Why are you slobbering? Hi. See ya. Back up. See you later. Bye-bye. Back it up. Back up.
Hannah, get in the car with Jovi. Get in the car. Go get in the car.
Hold on, truck. Get in the truck. What is it? Come here, you.